Functional groups are superheroes of organic chemistry, consisting of 1 to 4 atoms that bring recognition and reaction when part of an organic compound. They provide a mechanism to enable molecular transformations like connecting two molecules, rearranging a group of atoms in a molecule, replacing one group of atoms with the other, or even removing unwanted atoms. In organic chemistry, these changes occur in the form of reactions: addition, rearrangement, substitution, and elimination. So the chapter on functional groups in organic chemistry on CurlyArrows covers the commonly seen functional groups and teaches us to identify them by name and structure, and how functional groups affect chemical and physical properties. In the case of polyfunctional groups containing compounds, we learn how to name them based on priority order. We will also see examples of reactions where the functional group transforms. So learning about these transformers is vital in studying organic chemistry. Like us, there is more to them than meets the eye.